All right, so here's the septic now. I cleared off most of that, so might get some St. Augustine and throw it down in the back here while this dirt is all toiled up. Probably, I don't know if we could get some or not. If you want me to do that though, I could go out and grab some. Not a whole lot, but we could probably do that. Anyway, there's what will go down in the road and back over there for the range area. And here's the septic with a nice alarm system on it. And you'll see plumbing is run up underneath there.
Sweet.
So it comes up here, runs up underneath the house right there. There's your sewer tap. And then the sprinklers, oh, there's two of them. There we go. They runs up and then sideways here. There we go. So there's two of them, the first two, and in relation to the house, I'll let you see. So right there, and then there's the next one. And let's see, somewhere up here. Should be another one here somewhere. And then there'll be another line running over here somewhere that I'll need to find because it's all covered now. And there's what the house looks like from the back. Look at that beautiful view there. What came out of that hole? Look at them rocks.